Everything is pointing to us. Bitcoin found here our support and is trading here now around 114,000 US dollars. But we have also made a CME gap below us at 111,000 to 110,000 US dollars. But we have also see our monthly close today. So tomorrow will be starting from Q4. This and many more we want to talk about today in our update video. We will also talk a little bit about our trade position, how we can enter a new trade position here. And I will also show you one level where you could potentially enter your next long position. So definitely stick around, because exactly today the most important part of the bull run is about to start. So let's first of all start here on Bitcoin on the daily chart. Here we can perfectly see Bitcoin found here our support in the very critical level at 107,000 US dollars. We didn't make a lower low, so we are kind of in our uptrend as well. Have a lower low here, have here a low, and even also here a low. So we make higher lows over there. And there's one exactly chart pattern playing out right now. I will show you later in the video, so definitely stick around here till the end. Otherwise, we find here a perfect support and breakout to the upside. This is exactly the reason why we also opened here Bitcoin position. We are kind of like in a profit right now, so nothing need to adjust here right now. Next important level for Bitcoin is definitely to hold here, not to make a lower low at 111,500 US dollars. So as long we are respecting our upwards trending support line to the upside, we are still fine. Kind of now fighting here with our resistance before and now support right now at 113,700 US dollars. As long we are flipping this line to the upside, something like this one, get a reaction to the upside, the direction of 116,000 US dollars should be very clear. And I will explain you right now by the liquidations why we are potentially also going here a little higher. For sure, we have some liquidity sitting down below 118,000 US dollars, and if we zoom a little bit out, also the liquidity at 107,000 US dollar is sitting in the card right now. So there could potentially one more move to the downside, but don't say it we have to go there. Same belongs also to the CME gap. Yes, we have created a CME gap down below 110,000 to 111,000 US dollars, but it don't means we have to go down below and fill the CME gap, because if you zoom a little bit out, it takes also many times before as we fill the CME gap. So also here we take over a month to fill the CME gap, even also quite down below here. We have also still sitting a CME gap below 100,000 US dollars at 91,800 US dollars to 93,000 US dollars. And this CME gap never get filled yet. So there could be potentially the same scenario also here for this CME gap here. We don't need to forget that this CME gap here bring us in a very high level here in the last all-time high at 123,000 US dollars. So there could be potentially be the same, that we are getting here the new all-time high and then fill the CME gap. And to be honest, you don't want to miss the next rally in potentially the next all-time high by just focusing only on the CME gap. Yes, if you're getting lower than 112,000 US dollars, it could be already in the cards that we're filling the CME gap. But as long we are not able to fall lower than 112,000 US dollars, the direction for Bitcoin should be definitely here in direction of 118,000 US dollars, because 18,000 US dollars is the next critical resistance line here for Bitcoin. As soon we're taking out this high at 118,000 US dollars, the next all-time high is definitely here in front of our doors. Quick outlook also for Q4. Today we have our monthly close on September, and as you can see here right now, I talked many times about these picture here right now. As soon we're closing September in profits, we will definitely also getting here in the next month here in October also on green. So this is exactly what is happening right now. I don't believe we will close September negative, so the next month potentially also getting here green numbers in the cards. And November and October, November, December are these very important and high rewards months, especially for Bitcoin. Not only for Bitcoin, even also of altcoins. And that's also the reason why we have here our Ethereum long position open. So it's now 40% here in profit. Also here, no adjustments needed. I will talk in tomorrow's video a little bit more about altcoins, Ethereum, and some other altcoins we can position ourselves. But we should focus here mainly first of all on Bitcoin, because also here on Bitcoin our trade is doing super well. So here our trade is kind of $200 in profit, 40% in profit, and even also our other position here on Bitcoin is also great in profit. And I also want to share you my price target here for Bitcoin. And for this one, we go here back in the daily chart before we get here later in the next critical zone for Bitcoin. And here on the daily chart, we're building a massive symmetrical triangle, which potentially a breakout to the upside. So we're respecting here our trend line to the upside. We have here our supported line. So here low, higher low, higher low, creating lower highs. Here high, lower high, even also here lower high. As soon we take out these high, 117, 118,000 US dollars, the direction to the upside should be in the cards. But the main target would be here when we are creating here our symmetrical triangle on the breakout side. Breakout would be potentially here in the first week of October. So let's be conservative and set it a little bit lower than as it is right now. And this would give us a trade target of around 145,000 US dollars. And this is exactly in alignment with my trade target for the current bull run. Even if you miss to open a long position here on the lower part of the support, it should be all fine when we are breaking here our symmetrical triangle to the upside. This is also the moment where you should potentially even also enter the next position and trade it all the way into our trade target here. For giving you a trade entry, let's go here in a lower time frame, and for this one we also pull our indicators in, and here we can also very clearly see here on the 1 hourly chart, next important zone is exactly sitting here right now in front of us. So as soon we're getting a retest of the 50 moving average in kind of this box, which is also here showing us critical resistance line or support line. Now it's flipped to support. Before it was resistance. So this area should be a great opportunity to get here in a new long position. If you don't have an exchange right now where you can trade, just go in the video description. There you'll find a link here to BitUnix. These exchanges are very amazing. I love this exchange so much. And even also only lasting till today, they have a deposit bonus from 20%. So it's only available today. Tomorrow the bonus will expire. So definitely be fast, take your bonus. You even also get trading level number 1, so definitely be part of it. Otherwise, my other trades are running here on BYDFi, and also on BYDFi you get a up to 8,000 US dollar deposit bonus, so you also check it out in the video description. And on BYDFi I also do copy trading, so link down below, all in the video description. That's basically all from the video today. So trades are running still good. Next target zone here for Bitcoin would be definitely here the 118,000 US dollars. So there is the main liquidity is sitting. As soon we're taking out these size, 113,000 US dollars is in the card. And next key level to watch, 50 moving average here on the daily chart, 114,500 US dollars. This is definitely the next trade position you can enter here right now. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then we see you in the next update video tomorrow.